The United States, known for its democratic tradition, has been guided by presidents acting as heads of state and government. This role of president, unlike classic monarchies, rotates every 4 or sometimes 8 years, bringing in new visions and policies to shape the nation's destiny. As one navigates through the centuries, the timeline of U.S. presidents unveils not just a sequence of leaders, but a narrative of evolving ideals, crises, and innovations. In the 18th century, the formation of the new nation saw George Washington steering the helm as the first president from 1789 to 1797. Renowned as the father of his country, his leadership laid the foundational stones of the U.S. presidency. John Adams, famously known for his role in advocating for independence, followed, serving from 1797 to 1801 amidst burgeoning political parties. As the 19th century dawned, Thomas Jefferson's presidency from 1801 to 1809 emphasized rural agrarianism and the inception of a broader interpretation of the Constitution. Echoing his stewardship, James Madison's presidency, 1809 to 1817, navigated through the War of 1812 against Britain. Each subsequent leader, such as James Monroe overseeing the era of good feelings, to Andrew Jackson's potent populism, crafted policies that propelled or sometimes divided the nation. The century was punctuated by crises, such as the Civil War under Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln served from 1861 until his assassination in 1865, preserving the Union at all costs. In the 20th century, prominent shifts occurred. Theodore Roosevelt's time, from 1901 to 1909, revolutionized the nation's approach to conservation and international presence. Franklin D. Roosevelt, serving from 1933 to 1945 and holding the longest tenure, implemented the New Deal, transforming America's socio-economic landscape during the Great Depression. Amidst Cold War tensions, John F. Kennedy's brief presidency, 1961 to 1963, was marked by the Cuban Missile Crisis. Kennedy played a pivotal role in steering the world away from nuclear disaster, before his assassination left the nation in mourning. The century closed with charismatic leaders like Bill Clinton steering through a booming economy and turbulent politics from 1993 to 2001. The 21st century unfolds anew, experiencing the promises and challenges of modernity. George W. Bush led from 2001 to 2009, witnessing the tragic events of 9/11 that reshaped global policies on security. Barack Obama's historic presidency from 2009 to 2017 marked significant legislative milestones. Obama's presidency included the Affordable Care Act, coupled with a message of hope and change. Following him, the nation saw Donald Trump's unconventional approach from 2017 to 2021, inciting both fervent support and resistance. Presently, under Joe Biden, who assumed office in 2021, the U.S. grapples with emerging challenges like the global pandemic, climate change, and striving for unity in diversity. This journey through the list of American presidents not only tells of political transitions. It reflects the heartbeats of cultural, ideological, and policy shifts that the U.S. has experienced, from forming a new democracy, weathering civil conflict, navigating global challenges, and innovating for future generations.